make one entity, double click on it, make it filter activator team, click apply, name it whatever you want. I'll make it filter. It can be anything. Now this door is going to be only available for CT, so counter terrorist. Click apply. Now you can close for now. Next, you can create a door. Like that. I'll make it just random texture. Next, you gotta create a button. I will just copy and paste this. Make it small. I'll replace the texture to a red texture because button, whatever. Next, select the door, press Ctrl T, make it func door. It can be rotating, but I'm gonna make it sliding door, so func door. Next, go to your button, select it, press Ctrl T, make it func button. Click apply. Now I'm gonna name the door armory door because I'm going to make an armory, and you can pick whatever name, doesn't matter. Next, go to the filter activator team, double click on it, go to outputs, press add, pass armory door, that's the door name, open, click apply, add another one, pass armory door, close. This is the automatic closing, so if CT left it open, it will close automatically. I want to be 5 seconds, so it will close after 5 seconds. You can press apply, close it. Next, go to your button, go to outputs, press add, unpressed, filter, test activator, click apply. Now I usually make button not move, so don't move. Go to I usually make the button not move when pressed, so go to flags, press don't move if you want, click apply and close it. Next, go to the door. I want to slide the door upwards, so go down and pick move direction, pitch roll. I'm gonna go here and make it upwards, and click apply. You can close it. Now it should be good. I'm gonna choose counter terrorist. I'm gonna kill this because it's annoying. If counter terrorist press it, it opens. Let's test on the T side. Get out. When I press it, it doesn't open. So right now it opens when you touch it. So go back, double click on the door, flags, touch opens, uncheck that, click apply. Now it should work. Goodbye.